Welcome to my vlog, Kamabuhay, Kamabuhayers. Sharing you my moments here in SM Ecolan. I am your teacher vlogger, Teacher Bean, Erlinda Bean, Basilio Rindon. As of this moment, we are having our just small items. My favorite cranberry is only here in SM Ecolan. Cranberry juice. Super sweet. Yeah, I got tatlo kinuha ko, and three cranberries. Tip ko, my favorite one. For those who like to give me a gift of cranberry, this is my brand. Tip ko, no other. Mixed fruits. Both my favorite Kablon, Kablon Farms, Babaji. No other brand. Only Kablon. And it's for the first time I would like to try this one, strawberry jam. Yeah, feeling I'm from Baguio. Of course, my choosing oil, no other than the olive oil. Yeah, for my wellness goals, and we need also just this thick Nescafe. I love this one. Yeah, not that 3-in-1. Okay, so just sharing you my moments as a retired teacher. I love SM, super cool mall. So, malamig. Pugnaw ka ayo diri. So, I love here. And super spacious. Okay, let's go to my favorite grapes over there. Yeah, I love the grapes in this mall. Really, my choosing one. I am one of the first batch of shoppers. So, actually, this not yet jam-packed with shoppers. But later on, more will be coming here. And you will almost bump with each other. You bang with each other. Okay, where are we going now? Oh, I'm looking for my grapes. Where are your grapes? Okay, let's go. It's a wonderful day today, Monday. Coffee oil here. I will look. I'm looking for grapes and cream bread. Let's go on this area. I think there. Okay, that's the fruits. Grapes. I love the grapes. Let's get one pack. So many fruits for body wellness. Vegetables are here also. Grapes area over there. Okay, this also super good. Cauliflower. Let's try this one. How much? I do not know. Let's look at the price. Cauliflower is good for the health. Ouch. Okay, let's look. Okay, this is how much? 58 pesos. As small as this. Okay, I'll get this one for body wellness. And the grapes. There you are. Wow, I love that one. You don't have that one in a cellophane? Wala. Yung grapes na nasa cellophane. Wala. Only this one. Okay na ito. Okay, I love this grapes seedless. Super sweet. Wow. So let's look for I want the smallest one. Ouch! I might be able to pay. I think this is what I want. Small. I don't like the big one. Oh. Sweet and seedless. How much? 130 pesos and 39 centavos. Okay, this is the type of grapes. Okay, we'll add some more. Just like that. The smaller one. I think I love this one. Very sweet. Yes, very sweet. So we have 147. Okay, we'll have two grapes. I think that would be enough for me. I'm just eating three grapes before meals because according to expert, in order to remain healthy, you should be taking fruits before eating. Yes. But early in the morning, before going to sleep, I mean, after you're waking up, you drink lukewarm water, 1 or 2 glasses. And it should be slowly, not 1 glass. And after 20 or 30 minutes, you take fruits. And my favorite one is the grapes, 3 or 4. Then have an interval again of 20 to 30 minutes before having your eating of your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So this is it. Okay, shall we add another 1 or 2 only? Okay, I'll be looking for another one. I really love grapes. Good for the body. But I want the small one. Is this small? Okay, it's 114. Kakayanin ba natin ito? Okay, so let's have 3. Now, I'm almost done with my shopping here. A day in the life of the retired teacher. So let's go to the bread